So hi guys, welcome to the new question. So in this question, we have to calculate the power of any number in logarithmic time complexity. Okay. So what is the difference of previous question? In previous question, we are not calculating the power in the logarithmic time complexity. So how to solve this question? We are going to try. First, you have to try this question. Then you can just try out what is our solution. Okay. So in previous problem, we calculate x की power n using x की power n multiplied with x की power n minus 1 in previous approach. But in this approach, in new approach, what we are doing, we are calculating x की power n using this approach where we faith that x की power n by 2 we faith on x की power n by 2 and we multiplied again x की power n by 2. Here we faith x की power n minus 1. In the previous problem, we faith on x की power n minus 1. In this problem, we faith on x की power n by 2 and we multiplied x की power n by 2 times again and again. But like if we want to calculate x की power 18, x की power 17, then what we are doing? We are faith on x की power 16 and we multiplied x again. So we faith on x की power 16. But here what we have to do? We just calculate x की power n by 2. We calculate x की power n by 2. What we get? 17 by 2, which is 8. But for n, but when n is odd, then what we get? We have to multiply it again x, because we get 8, and when we get 8, then we multiply 2 की power 8 again, and then we have to, what we get 2 की power 16, and what we want 2 की power 17. We want 2 की power 17. If we take x equal to 2, then 2 multiplied by 2 की power 16. We want 2 की power 16, and what we get here? We get 2 की power 16. So we have to multiply it again 2. So we get 2 की power 17. Okay. So there are two conditions for this condition. When n is odd, then we multiplied x की power n by 2 multiplied by x की power n by 2 multiplied by x. When n is odd, when n is even, then we have to multiply x by x की power n by 2 and x की power n by 2. And this is our faith. We faith on that part, that it will give power half power. But in odd condition, we multiplied n again. So what we get when, like if we want to calculate power of x comma 1024. In previous approach, we faith on power of x comma 1023. But in this approach, when we want to calculate 1024, we faith power of x comma 512. This is our faith. And we multiplied power of x comma multiplied again power of x comma 512. So this is our power of, this is called x comma n by 2 multiplied with x comma n by 2. Okay. So this is the faith. We faith on n by 2 that it will give power of x comma 512. This is our faith. But when we are going to calculate power of 1023, then in previous approach, we faith on 1022 and then multiplied with x here also. But here what we get? We want to calculate x comma 511 multiplied with power of x comma 511. But here this n equal to 1023 is odd. So in odd condition, we multiplied x again, so that we get x comma power of x comma 1023. So this is our stage where our faith plus expectation will meet each other, and here also our faith plus expectation will meet each other. Okay. So in generally, what we are saying, that In the new approach, if we want to calculate power of x comma n, then what is our faith and what is our expectation? So if x equal to even, sorry, n equal to even, then we faith on x comma n by 2, and we multiplied x comma n by 2 again. If n is odd, then we faith that power of x comma n by 2 multiplied with power of x comma n by 2 and again multiplied with x. So this is our faith, and this is our expectation plus faith will meet. Okay, so we are going to execute this problem on code. So this is our code. So here what we have to do, here we have to take integer this input, and then we have to take the value where you have to consider as a power. Like if you want to calculate 2 to the power 3, then we have to take a 2 here, and we have to take a power x to the power n. So we have to take a power, we take a power of 2, like we have to take a power of x to the power n, so we take a power of x to the power n, and we call this function to power with x comma n, and we store this result, and we print this result. Dot print, and we print this result. Okay, and then here, what is our faith? Our faith is half of the power. Our faith is half of the power, like initially x comma and divided by 2. So this is our faith, and we store this faith, power of 2, power of, like we want faith of power of half by 2 now. So if power of half equal to this. Okay, so if so, what we have to do in result 1, and this is the condition where our faith meet with our expectation. So what we have to do, we have to just open it and then multiply it with again himself. We multiplied this faith again so that we get. But if this is for odd condition, when n is odd, then what we have to do, we again multiplied with, we multiplied with x. Okay, we multiplied with x, then we return this result one. What we have to do, what we are doing, if we want to calculate 2 to the power 18, first we have check even, then we faith here, like this will give me 2 to the power 9, we faith it, and when we get 2 to the power 9, then then here our faith and expectation will meet each other, and where we multiply by 2 to the power 9 again and 2 to the power 9 again, and we get 2 to the power 18. So from this faith we calculate this result and check that if n is even or odd. There is, if n is even, because 18 is even, so it doesn't do anything, and this we return 2 to the power 18. But at the condition where when 2 to the power 17, what we have to do, we calculate n by 2, like if 17, then we get 2 to the power 17 and we get 8. So we faith that 2 to the power 8, we faith on here 2 to the power 8, and we get 2 to the power 8, and we multiply it again 2 to the power 8, and what we get, we get 2 to the power 16. But our faith is 2 to the power 17, we want 2 to the power 17. So this here n is odd, 17 is odd, so we again multiplied with x, and here 2 to the power 16 is multiplied with again with 2, then we get 2 to the power 17, and we return this. So this is our odd condition. Okay, so we return. So we want to find our base case. What is our base case? So we are going to dry run on the stack, so we get our base case. What is the base case? Okay, so we crop this, So I think someone mistakes in the open board. So we are going to open board open. Then we crop this. So this is your code. Thank you. So we are make a try run so that you can understand what's going on in this code. So here, so initially here, what's going on? So this is line number 1, this is line number 2, this is line number 3, this is line number 4. So this is line number, this is line number 2, this is line number 3. The checking condition, this is condition, and we return something. So this is line number 1, this is line number 2, this is line number 3, this is line number 4. So initially what we give n. Okay, we give x, we give x and we give n, and in the third line, this is our result 1, this is our power 1 2, and this is our result. Okay, so this is our result. Okay, initially we give power, like we want to calculate 2 की power 8, we want to calculate 2 की power 8. Okay, so how we can calculate 2 की power 8? So initially we give 2, so x is 2 and n is 8. So here x is 2 and n is 8, and then when the line number 1 will run, then x is same 2 and 8 becomes 4. Okay, 8 becomes 4. 8 becomes 4 and calling the next function, and then when the line number 1 will run up this function, then 4 becomes 2 and calling in the next function with 2, and here 2, line number 1 will run, and then when the 2 again, line number will call, and the 2 becomes 1, and call in the next function. When the line number 1 will run up this function, then 1, this 1 becomes 0, because 1% 2 becomes 0. At that condition we have to return. When n becomes 0, then we have to return with value 1, okay. So because power of 0 will give always 1, okay, so we return as a 1, and what we return something, and we get at power of n divide by 2 when n equal to 2, when n equal to 1, and we get power of n by 2 equal to 1, because we return from here at 1, so we get 1 here, and we check that this is even or odd. We check that n is odd, because n is odd, because n% 2 equal to 1. So here we multiplied again with x, so here we multiplied 2 with 1, then we get 2. Okay, then because when line number 2 will run, then we get this. Okay, and when line number 3 will run, then we check that condition, like if it is divisible by 2 and we get 1, then this is line number 3 will check, and then we return from line number 4, and this 2 will return at line number 1, at the line number 1, at the stage of 2, where we multiplied with x. When the line number 2 of this function will call, then we again multiplied 2 with 2, and we get 4, but here n is not odd. We check that n is not odd, because n% 2 equal to 0. So then we return this 4, and when line number 4 will call, and we return this 4 at here. Okay, and then 4, and when the line number 2 will call, then 4 multiplied with 4 equal to 16, and then the line number 3 will not call, because n% 2 equal to 0. So here we get 16. Okay, and then when the line number 3 is not run, line number 4 will run, this 16 will return here, and then 16 multiplied with again 16, because line number 2 will run up this function, and then line number 3 will not run, because n is not odd, n is even, and line number 4 will run, and this 16 will return, and we get 16 multiplied by 16. So 2 की power 4 and 2 की power 4, when we get 2 की power 8. Okay, so we get our 2 की power 8. Okay, so all functions will wipe out after this execution. So we will get our value 2 की power 8. So we have to just go to and put the condition. if n equal to 0, then we have to return 1. Okay, so when n equals to 0, then we have to return 1. Okay, so we execute this function, so we accept it, and then we have to submit this question. So this is question submitted. So we are going to calculate how this code is different from other in the term of time complexity. Okay, but normally basic time complexity you can understand easily. Okay, so in this code, what is the difference between previous and this code? So 1 second. Yes, sorry. So in this code, what we are doing, if we have, sorry, so previous code is like power x comma n, and this is our power of x comma n by 2. So when we calculate power of x comma 32, like power of x comma n, then what we are doing, this is our power x comma 32. Then we calculate nth step, like x ki power 32, x ki power 31, x ki power 30. We multiplied again x ki power 1, x ki power 2 at a many stage. And here we divide our power x ki comma n by 2, then x ki power comma n by 4, until when we get 1. So here we make a GP. So in the GP, what is our kth term? Our kth term ar ki power n minus 1, and here our kth term is 1, because at the last we get 1, because n is decreased by 2 always, and at that stage we get 1, and last stage we get 1. Okay, like n divided by n equal to 1, because n is decreased every time. So at the kth value is our 1. Okay, 1, and our r is n by 4 divided by n by 2, which is 1 by 2. Okay, previous value upon first value. So we get our a r equal to 1 by 2, and n is equal to k minus 1, because our kth value is 1. Okay, so here 2 ki power k minus 1 equal to our a is n. So our a is n, because initially our a is n. Okay, and this is our starting value. So 2 ki power k minus 1, okay, equal to n, because a equal to n. Okay, so we take a log of both side. Log 2 ki power k minus 1 equal to log 2 ki power n. And then what we get? We get k minus 1 equal to log 2 ki power n, and here k proportional to n. Okay, so what we get? Log n. So here k proportional to log n. Here we get k proportional to log n in this value. So in previous problem we find that our k proportional to n in previous approach, and this new approach what we get, k proportional to log n. So how the difference you can understand here with example, like if we want to calculate 2 ki power 32, so this is our k. In the previous approach we proportional k ki power n, k proportional to n. So we calculate 2 ki power 1, 2 ki power 2, 2 ki power 3. So 2 ki power 32 step we have to calculate. But in here k proportional, this is k proportional to log n. So we have to calculate 2 ki power 16, 2 ki power 8, 2 ki power 4, 2 ki power 2, 2 ki power 1. Here we have to calculate only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 step, because k proportional to log n is equal to 32. Then log 2 ki power 5, and we get 5. And what we get? And also plus 1, 6, because here our proportional is k proportional to log n plus 1, where we can ignore this plus 1, but here we just add this one. So there are 6 steps. So this is a difference. Here we calculate 32 steps, and here we calculate 6 steps. So this is a big difference. Okay, so this is the difference in this question. So thank you so much for viewing this video. and please share this video and like this channel and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.